How's it going, guys? This is SkeletonKey here. I'm continuing my streak of quarantine lock picking with another challenge lock. This one is Noob. Pinned June 18, 2018. I don't know what this is supposed to say. And I'm honestly not quite sure who pinned this. So if anyone knows, please let me know. I'd love to give them credit. Here is the key. If the camera will focus, that'd be great. There we go. And you know that when the key snags on the inside, that this is not going to be an easy lock to pick. So I am concerned, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. So right off the bat, the keyway goes, how to put it, diagonally to the right, I suppose. So instead of being able to pick this way, I have to twist it the other way. So the camera might be at a weirder angle on this one, just to allow me to have adequate space as I'm trying to get this open. So apologies if the camera angle isn't prime. So right off the bat, pin 1. Felt a little movement there. Pin 2. Got a click. Pin 1 dropped, I think. Click on that. Pin in the back. Big click on that. I didn't check how many pins were in this thing. That was a mistake. Pin in the back. But I think, there we go. Got another, I think that was pin 4. Pin 2, and we are in a deeper false set. Again, apologies about the angle here. Might need to figure out a better angle for locks that twist this way. I touched pin 4, I want to say, or 5, and felt another movement in the cylinder here. Small click on 1. At this point, we are in a very deep false set. Hopefully approaching the finish line of this lock. But I can already tell there's going to be a spool. And it's going to be in the back. Felt another click there, but I didn't like that. Oh. That was really close. I think we're good. I think it stayed in the false set. Oh, it's open. All right. That was a fun pick. I like the challenge locks with a lot of spools, false sets. Like all that stuff, very satisfying. Again, this requires a screwdriver. I don't have one right now. Think I'll just keep up the streak of picking here and take apart some of these locks later, and I'll either edit it in the back of the video or just post it later so you guys can take a look at the inside of it. But again, if anyone knows who pinned this, please tell me. Maybe I'm missing something here. But again, love to give credit where it's due because this was a fun pick. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.